India's Hajj policy for 2025 introduces several significant changes to improve the pilgrimage experience. The new policy revises the allocation of pilgrim quotas, prioritizes elderly travelers, and updates companion requirements. The allocation between the Hajj Committee of India and private Hajj group organizers has shifted, with the HCoI now managing 70% of the total quota, down from 80% in 2024, while private organizers handle 30%, up from 20%. The policy prioritizes pilgrims aged 65 and above, followed by ladies traveling without mehrams, and then the general category. This is a change from the previous priority given to those aged 70 and above. Pilgrims aged 65 or older must now have a companion. If traveling without a mehram, a female companion aged 45 to 60 is required. For non-LWM pilgrims aged 65 or above, companions must be immediate relatives and both must not travel alone. Companions must be under 60 years old on the date specified by the HCoI. A couple both aged 65 or older is allowed 2 companions who must be blood relatives. The age of mehram and companions for pilgrims aged 65 or above must be between 18 and 60 years. For ladies without mehram LWM pilgrims in this age group, the companions must be female and aged 45 to 60 years. A new app, Haj Suvidha, has been launched to enhance convenience, offering features such as training material, accommodation details, flight and baggage information, emergency help, grievance redressal, feedback and language translation. Pilgrims can fill out Hajj application forms through the HCoI website, which is mobile friendly, to streamline the application process. The policy also introduces new medical requirements with a mandatory medical fitness certificate from a government doctor and a 2-step medical screening. This ensures that only healthy pilgrims proceed for Hajj. The government has renamed Khadimul Hujjaj, government officials assisting pilgrims, to state Haj Inspectors, increasing their number to 1 per 150 pilgrims from 1 per 300. Pilgrims cannot file complaints under the Consumer Protection Act 2019 as the HCoI operates on a no-profit, no-loss basis. The 2025 Hajj pilgrimage, scheduled from May to June, will be the last held during peak summer for the next 17 years due to the Hijri year's cycle. Registrations begin in September 2024 with a 40 to 45 day stay in Saudi Arabia. In case of death during the pilgrimage, burial rituals will follow Saudi practices.